Learning about wild animals is always exciting. And in this video, kids will get to explore the amazing world of wild animals while learning their names in English. Each animal is shown clearly, making it easy and fun for children to recognize and remember. Deer communicate with each other through body language, sounds, and even scent marking. They can make a variety of noises, including grunts and bleats. Deer are usually active at dawn and dusk, known as being crepuscular. That's when they are out looking for food. Deer have hooves that help them run quickly and silently, which helps them avoid predators. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. Some tigers can grow over 10 feet long and weigh more than 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes, and no two tigers have the same pattern. Their stripes are like fingerprints. Tigers are quiet and patient. They sneak up on their prey and pounce at the perfect moment. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles away. They roar to warn others or to find a mate. Tigers mostly hunt at night. Horses have been one of the most important helpers on farms for hundreds of years. Before modern machines, farmers used horses to pull plows, wagons, and heavy carts. They are strong, fast, and can work for many hours without getting tired quickly. Horses also help by carrying people across large farm areas. They eat grass, hay, and sometimes oats to keep their energy high. On some farms, horses are still used for riding, light work, or even sports. Bears are big and strong mammals that live in forests, mountains, and snowy places around the world. There are 8 different types of bears, including the grizzly bear, polar bear, black bear, and panda bear. Most bears love to eat both plants and meat, which makes them omnivores. Their diet can include berries, fish, insects, and honey. Rhinos are large, thick-skinned herbivores known for their horns and prehistoric appearance. Rhinos live in 5 countries in Africa and parts of India, Nepal, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Rhino horns are not bone. They're made of the same protein as human fingernails and hair. Rhinos can recognize each other by smell and sound, and mothers form strong bonds with their calves. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals. They can run up to 70 miles, 113 kilometers per hour, but only for short distances. Cheetahs have black spots all over their golden yellow fur, which help them blend into the grass when hunting. They have special black tear marks under their eyes that help block sunlight and make it easier to see far like built-in sunglasses. Cheetahs can't roar like lions. Instead, they make chirping, purring, and hissing sounds to communicate. Cheetahs live in savannas and open grasslands in Africa. Snow leopard is a big cat found in the mountains of Central and South Asia. Snow leopard is known as the ghost of the mountains because it is shy and rarely seen. Snow leopard is covered in thick, soft fur to survive in cold mountain climates. Snow leopard is equipped with a long, thick tail used for balance and warmth. Wildebeest. Also known as gnu, wildebeests are large antelopes native to Africa, part of the bovid family. The blue wildebeest is more common and widely found, while the black wildebeest has a more limited range and distinct physical features. Wildebeests prefer savannas, open woodlands, and grassy plains, especially in East and Southern Africa. Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Zebra stripes are not only beautiful but also help them stay cool in the heat and confuse predators by blending together in groups. Zebra lives in Africa and is usually found in grasslands, savannas, and mountainous areas. Elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, with African elephants being the biggest species, weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat plants like grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. They can eat up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, of food in one day. Elephants have a strong sense of smell and can detect water from miles away. This helps them find food and water in dry regions. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. They use their roar to talk to other lions and protect their territory. Giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world, with some reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes have spots on their bodies, and no two giraffes have the same pattern. Their spots are like fingerprints. Giraffes have a blue-black tongue that is about 18 inches, 45 centimeters long, which helps them reach high leaves without getting sunburned. Great job, kids! You did amazing learning wild animal names in English today. Keep watching, keep learning, and join us again for more fun educational videos. See you next time!